This assessment asks us to name the two cycloalkanes using the IUPAC system of nomenclature. You'll note right away that these are both six-membered rings, so they're both going to be cyclohexanes. We'll write cyclohexane for this one, and then cyclohexane for the bottom one as well, or the right one as well. In each case, we have two methyl groups on the ring, and if we're counting, the rules tell us that we give one of them the number 1, and then we would count 2 and then 3, so they would both be 1,3-dimethyl cyclohexanes. Let's add that. Hopefully I can squeeze it in. 1,3-dimethyl cyclohexane for the molecule on the left, and 1,3-dimethyl cyclohexane for the molecule on the right. Now, these two molecules are different, and yet so far they have identical names. How do we distinguish between those two names? Well, we recognize that in the molecule on the left, the two methyl groups are on the same side. For that, we're going to call this cis. Over here, the two methyl groups are on opposite sides. We will call that trans. Cis meaning the two molecules are on the same side, trans meaning the two molecules are on opposite sides. And now these two different molecules have unique names that identify each of them specifically.